Hey YouTube family, we're back, and I'm going to show you how to take this and turn it into this. It's going to be amazing, so stay tuned. YouTube family, alright, it's time to get these steaks seasoned up. I've already got some seasoned up. I'm doing a taste test tonight on some Jack Daniels Marinade in a bag, and also I'm doing one the way I like to do it. So first, Worcestershire, or however you say that. I can never say it right, but I'm going on to my steak first with that. Also, you can see we got potatoes peeled and diced up. They're in the pot. We're going to be making some mashed potatoes tonight with that. So, y'all get to see my recipe there. But I'm just going to put some Worcestershire on that. Now, we're going in with the seasoning. Again, this is my little all-purpose blend, if you will. I've got garlic powder, I've got pepper, I've got salt, a little celery seed, less celery salt in there, a couple other things. It's kind of in my testing stages now, so once I get it really defined how I want it, I'll be more than happy to share that with y'all. But you got to bear with me for just a little bit. But we're going to get the steak seasoned up. The grill's going outside. These steaks are going to go on the grill. And then we're going to get our potatoes going. And we'll keep you updated on that process. And we are going to throw in a vegetable. It's going to be super easy. It's going to be in the microwave. It is time to put some meat on the grill. This thing is nice and hot. I've got my charcoal mostly to one side because I want it hot. And I'm going to put these steaks on here. I'm only going to let them sit about 1.5 minutes. And I'm going to turn them. That sizzle is just perfect. Exactly what I want to do. All right, we're going to give those 1.5 minutes, and we're going to come back, and then we're going to turn them. All right, it's been our 1.5 minutes. Now it's time to flip them over. Get the other side done. Not the marks I want, but they're there. Another 1.5 minutes, we'll be good to go. I'm gonna rotate again, third rotation. Now I like my steak a good medium rare, but my wife likes hers a good medium. So you cook them to whatever preference you have. Don't cook them to how I have them cooked. Cook them how you like them. So we're going to close it now, and we're going to give them another 1.5 minutes. And if I don't think they're done to where I want them to be, Okay, now we're going to check them. And I want to show y'all a little tip that I learned a long time ago when it comes to a steak being done. These, you can tell, it's still kind of, it's still got a lot of give to it. And I don't really need a thermometer to tell me that that's still rare. So if you look at your hand, this little pad of meat right here on your hand, you push in and you see how the give is, that's rare. So now you touch those fingers and you got a medium rare, medium, and you can see how that's getting a little firmer every time I touch. So now we're at a medium well, and now we're at throw it away. Well done. A little humor there. I really don't like taking mine past medium at all. But just that little technique, and I can tell right now just by touching these steaks, they're still a little rare. So I gotta let them go a little more. So what I'm gonna do, this one right here is close. I'm gonna pull him over. That's the one I did myself on the marinade. You can tell these are a little darker. So I'll pull them over just a little bit. I'm not too much worried about getting more heat under them directly. Just wanna let them go for a little bit longer. And these are getting close. So we'll let them go about another 2 minutes. We've had our time. Let's check them. See where we're coming along at. Oh yeah. That's right where I want them. Perfect. Perfect. It's time to pull these things off. We're going to take them inside. Our potatoes are done boiling. We're going to get these things inside and we're going to let them rest. I know a lot of you just want to take them in, cut them up, right in you pull them off the grill because they're hot. Give these steaks time to rest. It allows all that juice to get back in that meat. Steaks are in, steaks are resting. Now, potatoes are done. I've drained them, got the water off of them. Now we're just going to mash them up a little bit. probably wondering why I'm using a whisk for this. Because these potatoes are done enough I can do that, but also because we moved to Germany just a little while ago, and all of our stuff has not made it here yet. So we moved here in August. We're almost into October, and we're still waiting. So hopefully we get it soon, but it's okay. As you can see, it was pretty easy to get done with a whisk. Now, when I add mine, here's what I like to add into mine. First, I got a little bit of milk. So I just eyeball it. But if I had to give you a measurement, it's going to be in between 1/4 and 1/2 cup. But I just eyeball it. I just put a little in there. And then I get some butter. Just a good heaping tablespoon there. Probably more like 2 tablespoons. And then sour cream gives it that bite. It's a little creamier. I give 2 big tablespoons there. And then I'm just going to take and mix that up a little bit. Get that all incorporated. And we get that butter good and melted. And I'm doing this right in the pot they cook in. I mean, save yourself some time cleaning afterwards. Just use the dishes you already have out. If you want to transfer for serving, that's fine. I probably will. I like to take all the food to the table at once and serve it. So that's good mix. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt. Just a good pinch. Just give it some flavor. This is kosher salt. You can use kosher, sea salt, whatever you prefer. And I'm just going to put in some fresh ground black pepper. Mix that up. And that is mashed potatoes. Pretty easy, pretty simple. It took me about 10 minutes to boil the potatoes. You saw how long in real time it took me to get all the ingredients in, get it all mixed up. Okay, so the vegetable I was telling y'all about, super easy, in the microwave, 5.5 minutes, edamame. My kids absolutely love it. So we're gonna pop this in the microwave, 5.5 minutes, and then we're gonna finish plating up and we're gonna be ready to eat. Well, we are done today with the steaks, the mashed potatoes, and the edamame. Connor and Elena joined me here at the end. I didn't want to cook today, they were too busy playing, but that's all right. We'll get them in the next one because our next video is going to be homemade pizzas. So I know they're going to be ready for that. But I told y'all we would do a little taste test on that marinade, so I've got some pieces cut up here. So Connor, here's one for you. Elena, one for you. I'm going to give it a taste.
Delicious. Salty.
A little salty.
It's delicious.
Garlicky, salty, peppery.
Juicy.
Juicy, yes it is. It made the meat real tender too. I like that as well. I would recommend it to anybody, but give us a like. If you hadn't already, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Hit that bell. Get your notifications when we put a new video out. And as always, thank y'all for watching. Keep cooking amazing. God bless. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.